Another day, another English lesson.
Sentence structure, subject plus verb plus without plus gerund phrase. Hi everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at a very useful structure in English, subject plus verb plus without plus gerund phrase. You hear this structure all the time, on signs, in everyday speech, and even in movies. But many learners aren't sure how to use it correctly. Let's fix that today. What does this structure mean? When we say without plus gerund, we're talking about doing one thing but not doing another at the same time. The gerund is just the ing form of a verb. And without is a preposition, so it must be followed by a noun or a gerund, not a base verb. Let's break it down. Structure, subject plus verb plus without plus gerund. Examples, she left without saying goodbye. She left, but she didn't say goodbye. He finished the test without checking his answers. He didn't check his answers before finishing. They entered without knocking. They came in, but they didn't knock. In each case, the main action happens, but the second action, the gerund phrase, doesn't. Remember, without must be followed by a gerund, the ing form, not the base verb.
Why is this useful? This structure is great for giving instructions, don't leave without locking the door, talking about what people forgot to do, describing actions that didn't happen.
Now, look at the images and complete the sentences with the structure. Subject plus verb plus without plus gerund.
One, she left the house without turning off the lights. She left the house without shutting off the lights. Two, he went to school without eating breakfast. He went to school without having breakfast. Three, they walked through the streets without wearing shoes. Four, they watched the movie without talking at all, not one word. Five, she cooked dinner without using a recipe, but it tasted wonderful anyway. Six, he took the actor's photo without asking for permission. Seven, they went outside without taking their umbrellas. Eight, the dog ran away without making a sound. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.